Now that we got 5 dogs around here, I gotta cut some more trails. Cause look, it's a jungle out here. Remember when my whole property looked like this? Oh, geez. Okay, but look, I chopped back here like in 2021. So there's still some markers, look. Boom, I put those there. I put those there, right? I knew that way one day I'd be able to refine my trail. Look, there's another one over. Where is it? See it right there? I'll mark my trail with flowers. Fuck, I'm a beast. I'm a beast. And a beast master. Oh. Hey, but look, today, instead of using a machete, to chop this trail, I'm using a pallet. Watch. Okay, heads up. Then I'll take it like this, but then I'll just walk on it. Then go back, kind of fix it. They have puppies run on it. Uh-oh. Watch your step, guys. It's a jungle out here. Shit, we're almost where I need to be. So close. So close. Hey, look, there's my bathroom. Okay, guys, no breaking ankles. Move. Not that way. Oh, guys, that's why I have to put my pallet. Look, the dogs don't even really care. Bo's been gone forever.